What's going on, guys? It's your boy Pauly. Today I'm at the farm and we're gonna be putting together some e-bikes. Check it out. Man, it's a windy one out there today. Holy smokes. This weekend has been nothing but e-bike stuff. We got Mr. Yellow over here, the sur-ron Storm-B. This thing is a ton of fun. Lots of fun to rip around on. It's, dare I say, quite possibly the best e-bike that we've had to test yet. And we also have the Nicot mini trailer. Let's take a look at what's inside, shall we? What do we got here? Does that look like a bike? I think that looks like a bike. Is that two bikes? I think so. So it looks like we gotta unbolt these guys. They're bolted together, and then we gotta unbolt it from the skid, pull the whole thing out.
That's it. Teraz idzie. Teraz będzie problem podjechać, bo trzeba wózek przytrzymać. Ja wyciągnij tą deskę, jedną drugą. Okay.
Let's go hop hop tam. Hop.
Good boy. Hey, brother, sister. Shit. No, good boy. Oj, taki noga cała wygryziona. Zobacz, tu krwawi. Oh my goodness, tutaj.
Okay, the bikes are unloaded. Got them out of that small little trailer. Nicot. Bike number one right here. I believe this is the bike that's the dual sport with the headlight, the turn signals, and the taillight and all that stuff. And then we got the full-blown moto bike just right there inside the shop. There's no better feeling than putting together some brand new bikes, first of a kind. And a little sneak peek. That headlight looks pretty good, not gonna lie. With those big forks, everything is looking pretty good. Let's go check out that other one, that moto bike. Because let's be honest, you're all here for the moto bike anyways. Here she is. Okay, straight from the manufacturer. LOL. Let's take a look. I see a knobby tire on there. Okay, so that's promising. Knobby tire, red and black design. 250 graphics, hilarious, and of course, electric bike with 4-speed manual transmission with the clutch. I like it. All right, let's take a look, see what else. Are there any other changes, upgrades? I guess we'll find out. Still got a gas cap. Put some Kool-Aid in there. Some beverages for the road. Stop and take a little drink. Okay. Looks good so far. It's all in one piece. From what we can see, no damages from transport. That's nice. Now that the bikes are out of the trailer and they're on the ground, all right, let's get to assembly. So it's bolted to the cage, nice and easy. Undo the whole frame, and you get access to the whole bike. We got the front fender, we got the side number plates, the front wheel, a box full of parts, and to the side we got the handlebar ready to go. To mount up, the actual frame went through the handlebar bolts right there. So, but pretty straightforward. This one also has a light actually. Nice. I wasn't expecting that. I thought this was the moto version. But okay, looks good. Admin jet graphics. So far so good. Everything looks intact and how it should be. Time to prop it up, get the stand underneath it, and start mounting these other parts. And just like that, bike one is built. Let's take a closer look. When you buy this bike brand new, you get it from the crate, this is what it's gonna look like. Everything but the side number plates have been installed on this 250R Admin Jet speed racing on this 12.5 kilowatt electric dirt bike with 4-speed manual transmission and clutch. And this is what you have. I thought that this was going to be a full-blown motorbike, but I guess it comes with the headlights. No turn signals, no brake lights, nothing like that, but it is kind of nice with the headlight, not gonna lie. Gives you an opportunity to do some mischievous things in the streets while you're still riding. We got the key right here. Nice cluster, 4 gears with clutch right here. So, and the coolest part, even in neutral, you can rev up the bike while the bike is in neutral, kind of like a real bike. The motor eventually slows down and stops. We'll throw it in first gear. If I could get my foot in here. Look at that, first gear, okay. Give it a little bit of throttle. She works, she runs, put it back into neutral. See that number change? Boom, gear 0. Pretty cool, folks, pretty cool. If you're in the market for an electric dirt bike, you want to rip around your town, you want to maybe hit up the local skate park, maybe ride late at night when, you know, you shouldn't be riding, well, I think that this 2022 Admit Jet is a solid option. From what you can see so far, I mean, it definitely feels closer to a real dirt bike, you know, maybe like a 250F, maybe something like that. Well, obviously we'll give it a test later on once the second bike is built. I think the coolest part is by far the clutch, the gears, the fact that it kind of feels like even just the shape of the gas tank and everything like that, lack of gas tank, even though you can keep your Kool-Aid in there. Kool-Aid, maybe some Powerade, I don't know, whatever your fancy is. But it's the closest electric dirt bike to a real dirt bike right now on the market. For now, I got bike 1 built. I'm gonna start working on bike number 2, throw this one on the charger, get the battery all charged up. And another day, when there's more daylight, I'll get him on the track, get him in the trail, record some GoPros ripping them up, and we'll see how they compete, see how they fare, see how they hold up. We'll see if anything breaks, and we'll have to do another video showing you guys the actual proper breakdown and the first thoughts on the first ride, I guess. For now, that's it from me. Peace out, A-Town.